Ding. Yep. Time to solve this. Go. So, yeah, I haven't done this in a while. But, thinking I can still do it pretty well. Yeah. Stuff's happening right now. Very, very cool stuff. Like, me solving this cube. Jay Nasty's streaming. He's yelling. I'm not yelling. I'm laughing at his stream. It's funny. Wow, that was really convenient. I'll explain kind of why my Rubik's Cube is like this after. Okay. Boom! Yep. Done. Did it. Haha. Fondness. Silver, orange, blue, gold, white, and this side, which is kind of like an abstract, stupid side. Yeah, my Rubik's Cube's like this because the stickers were falling off, and I decided it would be better to just take it off and just do whatever I wanted with it than just have falling off stickers, which pissed me off. Yep. Fun. Fun stuff. Used to be able to do it in 40 seconds. Might try it again. Might practice it more. And, try and get it back down to there. But for now, oh yeah, I also might try and solve my higher ones, like the 4x4, 5x5, and 6x6. Yep. Well, bye. See ya. Oh, yeah. There you go.